Hello, and welcome to a Counterpart Solutions Smart Council Tour. In this quick demonstration, John would like to book a hard waste collection using the integrated customer and property solution. Giving John the opportunity to book a hard waste collection through the solution provides council with information needed to maintain customer satisfaction and streamlines the process for both customer and council through automations. Welcome to the Smart Council portal, where John can find all waste-related requests or search for them directly. When he selects hard waste and mattresses, John can read through the knowledge article to view any request-specific information. Once the address is provided, John can view the number of hard waste collections left for booking this financial year and select hard waste collection. Next, John can provide information through configurable questions. Choose the week he would like the waste to be collected and specify the contents of the waste. John can then provide his contact details. John's details would automatically populate if he were logged into his council account. John can now review his selections. Finally, he can review the terms and conditions and submit the hard waste booking. Once submitted, John will be presented a confirmation screen and he will also receive a system automated confirmation email. John has now booked a hard waste collection for his council property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Smart Council tour. If you would like to know more about Counterpart Solutions and the Smart Council product, please contact us at info@counterpartsolutions.com and request a demo today.